Can-umantad Falls in Candaje is one of the most impressive waterfalls you will find on the incredible island of Bohol, Philippines. A natural gem in the beautiful town of Candaje. Best to take the habal-habal to the tourist area by the entrance to the waterfalls. Can-umantad Falls is a 60-foot high waterfall that is said to be the tallest cascade in Bohol Island. It is nestled in Barrio Can-umantad of Candaje town.
I am very lucky to witness your majestic beauty.
Love, Philippines.
Thank you very much.